Hello, Platte River Academy families. It's Becky Bonner here to talk to you today about CMOS 2018. This is, for those of you who don't know, our state mandated assessment for accountability purposes. This stands for Colorado Measures of Academic Success, and it is a computer-based, standards-based assessment that is intended to be summative in nature. And what that means is it is intended to help schools assess how well they are preparing students at a particular grade level according to the Colorado academic standards in math and in English language arts, which for us is reading and writing. And there are also assessments within CMOS related to science for 5th and 8th grades, and then when randomly selected for social studies, and that is for 4th and 7th grade students. And we have not been selected in the last couple of years, and we don't know yet if we will be taking social studies this year. But we are pleased to say that last April, we had over 95% of our students participate, more like 96%, which is outstanding because we have not met the required levels of 95% participation in a number of years. In a school our size, it really does matter when every kid participates because it gives us a better understanding of how we're doing in English language arts and math and science. So we appreciate that participation and we're grateful so many kids did participate. And last year, like many years previously, our kids performed really, really well. We exceeded state standards in achievement for elementary and middle school English language arts and math. I mean, we really just couldn't be prouder. Science as well in 5th and 8th grade exceeded state expectations for achievement. And there is a graphic in today's newsletter that falls right below this video that really shows how we performed compared to the district and compared to the state. And we all can be really proud of how our kids did and how Platte River continues to do in preparing students for whatever comes next for them, which is our job. And also in the newsletter is just an article pulling out some highlights of what we see in the scores and things that we're proud of. It's these scores that parents look to when they're choosing a school like Platte River, and it's these scores that the state looks to when they're determining which schools are deserving of the John Irwin Award. And when you have percentile rankings at the 95th and 96th percentile level for the state, it is very likely that we will qualify again for John Irwin status, and that would make us very, very proud and hoping to be able to deliver that news to you later this year. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please read this information and take some time to look things over. We'll be taking CMOS in April. It's the 8th through the 26th this year. It comes up every single year, and we expect good things once again. If ever you have questions about state assessments or any assessments, please don't hesitate to give me a call or send me an email or just stop by. I can point you to resources if I'm not able to directly answer your questions. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks. Bye-bye.